Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ihdina Salsabila. I'm from offering B, Academic of Biology major, 2019, Universitas Negeri Malang. And today I would like to present you about the article that I got from the Naked Scientist titled Malaria Vaccine Produce Protective Antibodies in Humans. So, please enjoy. Before I explain the main topic, I would like to show you about this pic. This is a photomicrograph of a blood smear that contains a macro and micro gametocyte of the Plasmodium falciparum parasite. Both of macro and micro gametocytes are products of the erythrocytic life cycle. This one. Within a few minutes after the anomalous sp factor ingests the gametocytes, the microgametocytes will develop into microgametes, which are able to fertilize gametes. Now let's get into the topic. First, this is a picture of malaria distribution, and it was said in the article that half of the human population live or at risk from malaria infection, and research had proven in 2015 there were 214 million cases, and up to 500,000 people died from this malaria disease. Efforts to halt the spread of parasitic disease are being frustrated. It happened because the efforts to halt the spread of the parasitic disease, which is transmitted by mosquitoes, are being frustrated by rising levels of drug and insecticide resistance in the malaria endemic areas. But fortunately, scientists have a potential new weapon to produce protective antibodies. So they have a weapon to test in the form of a weakened strain of malaria that can safely be injected into susceptible humans. Because of this limitless spreading of malaria disease, and there's no way to solve it, so researchers named James Coblin and his colleagues from University of Washington, writing in Science Traditional Medicine, have developed what they dubbed a GAP. It's shown in this picture. So GAP is genetically attenuated parasite comprising a heavily disabled form of malaria from which they have deleted the important three key genes, which are P52, P36, and SAP1. And without these genes, the parasite cannot complete its life cycle and hence cannot cause disease. So critically, it does still stimulate a powerful immune response, leading to protection for the recipient. And then to test this new vaccine called GAP, the team first administered it into mice, which were rendered completely invulnerable to malaria for at least 6 months. And then the researchers tested the GAP vaccine on a group of healthy human volunteers aged 18 to 50. But Unfortunately, the only way to administer the parasite is via mosquito bite, so the volunteers had to submit their forearms to a horde for 100 until 200 hungry mosquitoes over a 10-minute period. And then, after the hard work, within a month, the volunteers had developed very high levels of antibodies against the outer coat of the malaria parasite. So it successfully developed, and this blocked infection of blood cells in a dish, proving that they were functional, and transferred into mice could cut down the growth of the parasite in infected animals by up to 19%. Although the vaccine candidate is limited by the necessity to administer it via the bite of a mosquito, the results are still extremely encouraging as researchers move towards a solution to what is the world's largest disease threat. So, from this presentation, we can conclude that malaria disease can be prevented by the GAP vaccine. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.